In 2026, websites don't need to be maintained anymore. And if anyone is telling you differently, don't believe them. When we hand off websites, every marketer and everyone on your team can manage them. They don't break, they don't go offline, and they always work for you. When I started out with web design 8 years ago, the first few jobs were fixing some really bad WordPress projects where I had to update plugins, where I had to maintain some code and the website got slower and I just had to fix them. And back then I already knew that's not how you build a website. That's not how it should be, because the people who maintain a website are not developers. They are the marketers and people who want to actually get some sales through the website. So over the last 8 years, I've built over 50 websites, and in this video, I want to show you how I build them and how I hand them off so that you don't need to fix any code. You can edit the website without breaking any layouts, and it's very easy to update logos or text while still making sure the website runs as smoothly as possible. Hi, my name is Nick. I'm the founder of Grauberg, and we help startups from C to Series A stage with their design, website and products. So the first thing that I make sure when building a website and handing it off is that it's very easy to edit. I mainly use Webflow and Framer to build websites. There are some websites I custom coded, but with Webflow and Framer you have most of the features you need already out of the box, and they are very fast and very easy to maintain. So I build websites with Webflow and Framer, and both of these have very easy ways how to edit content. For instance, Webflow has an edit mode, so you don't even need to log into the page. You just use the edit mode to change text or some pictures. You save, you publish, and you immediately see how it's gonna look like. You can't even break any layouts, super easy. Same for Framer, you just go in there and you edit the text you want and publish, and that's it. The second thing I make sure is that I always use a design system. So every new website I build, either in Webflow or Framer, comes with a design system. I use FinSuite for Webflow, and everyone knows it, everyone uses it. If you want to change something with AI, it already knows how to change it as well. And that way, even if you don't work with me, any agency, any Webflow designer can change things and can edit it. And the good thing is that it comes out of the box and it's really hard to break things. So again, very easy for you to maintain. The third thing, and that's very important to me because I know that sometimes you want to do a small overhaul of the website yourself without hiring a design studio or development studio. That's why I always use components. Components are amazing because you can reuse them on parts of the website, for instance, a footer or testimonials. And if you want to change them, you just edit the component, switch a logo, maybe change a link, and it's going to update on the whole website. And that way you don't have to invest too much time to actually change things, which makes it easier even for us. Next, I want to make sure that we integrate a CMS whenever it's possible, because most websites only use a CMS or content management system for their blog. So marketers can add a picture, a headline, and some text, and it's going to look good. But sometimes you need that not only for the blog, but also for team pages or for resources. And you want to make sure it's very easy to create like 30 to 50 pages that look the same but have different content without breaking anything. And that's what CMS is for. You can easily do that in Webflow as well as Framer. And I just love to use it and make it easier for the marketing team. And then finally, and I had to learn that the hard way, is the hosting and the domains. When I started out with web design, I bought the domain for one of my customers. They didn't know how to do that, so I bought the domain. And even years after, when they weren't even a client anymore, I was paying this fee, this annual fee for the domain to make sure the website doesn't go down. And eventually, in a very difficult way, we had to transfer the domain to the customer. I want to make sure that I don't have to do this anymore and that you don't have to do this. So Webflow and Framer, both of them, they have hosting that's really fast, and they allow you to buy a domain and connect it to your account. So everything is with you. You are not reliant on my work or any accounts, and you can make sure that the hosting and your website is super fast and always up. And that's how it should be. I don't accept it anymore when I see a website that needs to be maintained, or when I hear that a startup pays a monthly fee to an agency just to make sure the website keeps running. You don't need that. It's very easy to do it. And if you work with us, we will make sure that everyone on your team can update your website. And if you're currently thinking of redesigning a website, or if you're unhappy with how it's set up right now, I have in the link below a free website audit. It's a call with me, 20 minutes, and we just walk together through your website setup, and I will give you a few recommendations on how you can improve it, or what's the best way of action to have a better website in the end. So it's just a link down below. And if you want to get some inspiration of how the top 50 startups in the world do it, I have a video as well where I analyze 50 Y Combinator startups and how they structure and build their websites. Thanks for listening, and bye.